Hey everybody, remember the amazing drawing we made? Well, I watched Kpop Hunters, so I know how we're going to color it. First, you are going to draw purple lines. Is that dark enough for everyone to see? Kind of, probably. That's our first line. And the next line is going to be still purple. That's where the lines stop. Then we're going to start doing that. And the tails, easily striped. When your cat looks like that, you are going to color in all the rest of it with blue. And I know it might take a little bit long for you guys, but take as much time as you want on your amazing cats from Kpop Hunters. Pretty hard to make. You know what? Since it's such a large thing to color, I just decided to not color the whole face. And tongue, you guessed it, is going to be purple. The eyes, pretty hard with the eyes. Gonna do dark blue for the eyes, and let me just up. And if you ask me, this is a twistable crayon. That's what it says. It's a twistable crayon. See? You read it? You read it? Crystal? And by the way, we are going to keep drawing and keep coloring. And remember, even when you're not watching my videos and you're still drawing, like at school, at home, or even in a contest, just remember that art needs not to look perfect, but to just look good. So even if you're in an art contest and it doesn't look good, doesn't look perfect, just remember what I'm saying. Art does not have to be perfect. You just have to put your best effort into it. Make it look pretty. And this is what it looks like, which my name's Hazel. So I might want to write my name normally or in cursive. But I'm going to be taking this pen drawing a line, then writing my name in cursive. Making sure that it's extra slant. Here's what that's what it looks like. And on the top, and you'll color in the inside of the ears. Purple. You've guessed it. Purple. And now let's see. If you wanted to add cheeks, fluffy cheeks, you can color it in like purple. Like purple is just a good color for cheeks. Like you'll color in purple really lightly. Maybe you also want to make it look cuter. And making the whole top purple and the whole body good. was just adding some freckles to my cat, which you can, obviously, if you want to. Light blue on top of the cheeks, just so you know where the cheeks are. And that is what your amazing cat from Kpop Demon Hunter should look like. And do not forget, like, share, and subscribe. And also you can comment it in the comments below. And that is done. Good job for you creating the best cat that I know how to draw, although like the top's a little bit wonky. But as I said, drawing doesn't have to be perfect. Wait, did you get it? Did you get my joke? Perfect? We're drawing a cat. Huh? So that needs to be. So it does not have to be perfect. But it still has to be your best effort yet. Bye-bye. And remember, don't forget, if you like drawing and you like learning stuff new, then you really should check out my new episodes in the comments below. Believe me, if you do that, we'll notify you when a new episode is coming. Bye! And just don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye! Oh, and with the subscribe button, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Bye, 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 bye. See you next episode. And don't forget, we're doing another episode just for coloring.